Now, ito next phone na i-feature natin na panganga ako. Talagang nganga ako dito sa sobrang ganda nito phone na ito. And I'm not hyping dahil itong phone na ito is co-engineered with Zeiss and it has one of the best camera that I've used for 2024 other than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And this is the Vivo X100 Pro. Flagship level specs with flagship level camera. Alamin natin after this quick intro. So guys, the Vivo X100 Pro, mabibili nito for 45,000 pesos ang kanyang base variant na 12 plus 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Link on the description. Na pagdating naman sa kanyang design, there's no doubt na medyo malam Mate 50 Pro ng Huawei ang itsura nito. Medyo kinopya niya pati ang kanyang color na orange, though this is not a vegan leather finish. I think it's something like rubberized na synthetic na rubber dito sa likod, which gives you a very nice grip. And what I like dito sa ibabaw, nakaprint dito, professional photography. So meaning ang target market nito phone nito ay para sa mga professional and mga non-professional na mahilig sa photography. Kaya simpleng point and shoot lang dito sa phone nito, maganda ang makakuha ko dito. Na itong phone nito also featured a curved screen glass, so definitely it's very nice for me. Personally, based on my personal preference, mahilig ako sa mga curved screen na phones. So swiping from left to right, right to left, sa mga kanto, walang sabit. Siguro, isa sa mga reklamo ko lang naman dito sa kanyang front-facing camera is hindi ganun kaliit ang kanyang punch hole. Other than that, goods na goods ang kanyang screen. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by one of the most powerful chip na meron ni MediaTek. It's the Dimensity 9300. And with that said, the phone na ito was able to squeeze out a 2.1 million na points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And if you break it down, this is what you'll be getting. 4,491 kanyang loop score, and it throttled to 78% ng kanyang performance. And it has a 78% stability. Ito ang score na nakuha na sa Geekbench sa CPU benchmarking. And ito naman nakuha niya dito sa GPU benchmarking. Mapapa-OMG ka na lang dito sa kanyang thermals, and it is quite red dito down the slope, and it throttled to 41% ng kanyang best performance. So, meaning this might not be able to game that much, but malalaman natin later. And by the way guys, if you're expecting this to be a gaming phone, yes, this can game, but this is a camera phone. So itong Vivo X100 Pro is being powered by the Origin OS, and it has the Dimensity 9300 as its processor. It has 12 plus 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and it has the Vivo V3 chip inside. Now there are some hidden features here that supports the ultra game mode, giving you that better experience while you're playing these games. So far, yung mga ilang games ko dito supports. So, Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, Genshin Impact, saka si ML. Now, pwede mo rin i-turn on ang 4D game vibration, which is also known as the haptics. So, to-turn on ko lang sa CODM para ma-enjoy natin a little bit later. But as far as I'm concerned dito sa phone na ito, I was trying to look for yung bypass charging na unfortunately wala akong nakita. Now, one of the good things dito pag drop-down menu mo, there are some things dito na nakakatuwa lang, no? Pag if you're adjusting your brightness dito, pwede mo siya i-hold, then i-adjust mo. Palaki mo lang siya, no? Wala lang, trip lang. Then, kung gusto mong punta sa sounds, you can long press para i-select ko ng mga speaker na nakakapit sa kanya. Now, equally said, kung gusto mo i-check yung battery saver, just hold, papasok siya sa battery mode. Then you can also turn on your boost mode dito to give you that better experience dito sa iyong phone. And those are some of the tricks na pwede mong magawa dito sa Origin OS 4. Now, itong phone na ito has a 6.78-inch na LTPO AMOLED display, so it can adjust itself from 1 to 120 Hz na screen refresh rate to let you save on your battery. It has a 90% na screen-to-body ratio and 3,000 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. Pero mapapagana mo lang siya when you're watching mga HDR content. Now, if you're scrolling sa TikTok and Facebook Reels, definitely you'll be enjoying kasi ang ganda, ang smooth ng experience ko dito while scrolling on mga shorts sa YouTube and sa TikTok. It was really fun. And good news guys, meron siyang level 1 ng Wi-Fi security level. So meaning, pwede ka manood ng mga HD content dito sa phone na ito. So if you're browsing sa YouTube and sa Netflix, you'll definitely enjoy mga high quality na contents dito. And of course, expect really good display from this phone dahil this is a flagship level na display. So kahit anong content panoorin mo dito, I'm sure that you'll get a very immersive experience. So since meron siyang stereo speakers, pakinggan lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang loudspeaker. Well, flagship level nga talaga ang kanyang sounds dito. Malakas and very clear. So let's head on over to try some games dito sa phone na ito. I know that this is a camera phone, but we want to try out kung gaano kaganda ang kanyang gaming experience dito. So I played 3 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Farlight 84. So sa Call of Duty Mobile, setting to all high settings, expect a really nice experience dito. Halos wala ka ma-feel na frame drops or lags dito when you're playing mga VR matches, mga ranked matches. Expect really nice graphics and really nice experience dito sa kanya. And if you're playing Farlight 84 naman dito sa phone na ito, with all high settings naman nakaset din dito, expect the experience is really immersive. Now, even na naglalaro ka ng mga battle royals dito and medyo marami ka may on a certain place, magtapong ka pa ng smoke bomb and other mga effects, wala akong na-feel na frame drops dito sa kanya, which is definitely as expected from a chip like MediaTek Dimensity 9300. And of course, Genshin Impact, smooth din ang kanyang gameplay, setting to all high settings. Wala akong naging problema din dito sa game na ito. It gave me a really nice experience even after 1 hour. And after playing for several hours dito sa mga games na ito, ang pinakamainit na achieve ko sa Genshin Impact is around 45 degrees Celsius based sa aking mild C na thermal scanner. Now, itong phone na ito has a big battery, 5,400 mAh of battery, which can support up to 120 watts of fast charging. So, charging from 0 to 100 takes you around mga 15 minutes to complete the charging cycle. And kaya rin niya mag-support ng 50 watts na wired charging and reverse wired charging as well. Pang-charge na yung mga AirPods. On day-to-day usage, itong phone na ito can last you through a day, but pag medyo heavy kayo sa photography and sa videography, medyo matakaw rin siya sa battery. Lalo kung nagtitake ng mga video na 4K, it will drain your battery faster than usual. And tinry ko mag-run dito ng PC Mark na battery stress test. Unfortunately, 4 na beses ko tinakbo, 4 na beses din nag-fail, and it was able to give me a 11 hours and 50 minutes na screen on time, which is not bad for a flagship phone at this level. Now, with such a powerful device like the Vivo X100 Pro, definitely you want to bring it for traveling. And I'm sure if you're taking a lot of videos and photos, your battery would drain a lot faster than normal usage. So I have some of these suggestions that you can bring along. So this one is a Ugreen 2000 mAh two-way fast charging power bank with 100 watts of charging capability. And it's flight approved, so you don't have to worry that you might need to leave this one on the immigration counter or wherever. And it's definitely portable. It has 2 USB Type-C port over here and 1 USB Type-A. You can always check how much you have left in the tank with just one press of this button. And the other one is the Ugreen Nexo 300 watts 5-port PD GaN fast charger. I know that normally when you travel, you have a lot of device, be it MacBook, you have your tablet, you have your phone, you even have your laptop together with you, and you don't want to carry one charger for every device that you have. And so I have here is a 300 watts, very portable charging brick over here. Though it's a little bit heavy, but it's very much portable. So I have 4 USB-C port over here and 1 USB-A port over here, which can probably supply everything that I need. And at the back, it's a 3-prong cable. If you want to know where you can buy this stuff, link on the description. So, pag-usapan na natin my favorite part and probably your favorite part for this phone, the camera experience. And starting off with a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, a 50MP na periscope telephoto lens with OIS and 4.3 times optical zoom, and 50MP na ultra-wide lens with autofocus. So, this one is being co-engineered with Zeiss Optics, and it also has Zeiss T lens coating. Ang kanyang rear camera can shoot up to 8K and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 32MP camera which can let you shoot up to 4K and 60 FPS. Now, gusto mo muna natin simulan with some really good outdoor shot na nakuha natin, and starting off with a very simple na flower shot. So we'll see here na ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-background blur. No? I was really amazed with yung shot na ito, and makita mo yung mga droplets ng water dito is looking very natural once you zoom it in. Looking at so many cameras taking this same shot, this is probably one of the best, no? If not the best for this year. And kita mo lahat ng details dito, ang ganda. Plus, if you zoom it a little bit more, you'll see a little bit more details than usual. Now, equally said din dito, I think medyo mas dramatic ang shot na ito as compared sa mga ibang mga cameras na taking this same shot. You see mga alambre dito, mga ugat dito, plus mga vines is looking very nice and very natural and very detailed as well. Now, playing along with the other lenses, this is the ultra wide shot, the normal shot, 2x zoom, 4x zoom, and 10x zoom. Now, looking at the 10x zoom, wow, honestly, the zooming capability looks really nice. Probably, I would say na kaya nga na ito katumbasan ang Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra pagdating sa 10x zoom. Now, one thing na mapapansin mo dito is quite consistent naman ang kanyang colors ng sky for the ultra-wide lens and the 1x and 2x zoom. But it goes a little bit darker when you're using the 4x and the 10x zoom. Now, let's play with the same lens again. So, this is a ultra-wide shot, normal, 2x zoom, 4x zoom, and 10x zoom. Now, if you're trying to capture some sunset shot, it would look as dramatic as this one. And taking some further sunset shot using a 2x zoom, this is definitely one breathtaking photo that I've captured using this phone. Now, when you go indoor, taking some food shot, I would say this is another really good performing na phone. Taking some shot like this one, product photography, food photography, I would say kayang-kaya mag-perform ni Vivo X100 Pro. Ang ganda ng mga output na nakuha na dito. I would say, very sharp on subject, and the background blur is very professional looking. Now, equally said dito sa other mga food shot na nakuha natin. Ang ganda ng ganang color reproduction dito sa kanya, and showing you some more food shot. But of course, as much as I want to share every single shot na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito, due to the limited airtime, I would suggest that you visit my page sa Facebook at gadgetsidekick for more of the photos that I'll be posting from this phone. So if you're using naman mga yellow halogen bulb, maganda. Honestly, there are some other cameras, pag tinapat mo ng halogen bulb na dilaw, nagiging yellowish ang photo, but not dito sa Vivo X100 Pro. Ang ganda ka ng pagkatimpla ka ng color. For this, I'm not quite sure, I think last na shot. And taking some of these sashimi shots, it looks really, really nice. Now, looking at some indoor flower photography, you would see na honestly, magandang mga details na makukuha mo dito. And I rarely say na sobrang ganda isang camera unless talagang sobrang ganda niya. And this is another one of those good shots na nakuha natin using this camera for indoor shots. Now, going further na low light on indoor, I would say this is probably some of the very nice and very dramatic shot na nakuha ko for indoor inside a resto bar. And of course, further checking some of the night shots na nakuha natin, and nilaro din natin ng gusto ang kanyang mga other lenses. This is the ultra wide shot, this is a normal shot, a 2x zoom shot, 4x zoom shot, and a 10x zoom shot. You'll see mga night photos na nakuha natin dito are very rich. And even some simple shot like this though, looks very nice and very dramatic. This is just a very, very simple na point and shoot. Now, checking front-facing camera, talagang masabi mo flagship level ang mga output na magbibigay sa'yo, no? Even though sometimes medyo harsh yung sun, but it's still able to give me some really nice photos dito using the front-facing camera. You'd see some really very natural shot using the selfie camera, but mapapansin mo, it's a little bit beautified pag zoom in mo kasi alam naman Vivo, talagang i-beautify na talaga mukha mo. And on some low light na portrait shot, I would say this is probably one of the best na nakuha ko. And further taking some indoor shot, this is some of the samples, and this one as well. Now, using its front-facing camera to take vlogs, I'd say very nice, very stable ang kanyang camera. Kaya mag-ikot-ikot ka, pan around ka, maglakad ka pabaliktad, you'd really get a very nice output from its front-facing camera. Now, you get equally nice na video when you're using this camera for indoor vlogging naman. Kapag naglalakad ka naman outdoors, ang kanyang rear camera is very stable, very smooth ang kanyang pag-capture ng video. And honestly, wala ko ibang masabi kundi ang ganda talaga ng kanyang camera. And if you're walking naman indoors, this is some of the samples na makikita mo, and it's really smooth and wala halos makita shake. I'm just using my bare hand na dito, by the way. So guys, for 45,000 pesos, is this phone worth it? Well, I would say definitely a yes kasi Ang ganda ng kanyang camera performance. One of the best na na-try ko dito for 2024. And this one can even level up to Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or even a bit better. Comparing this one to my Huawei P60 Pro, I can say it can go toe-to-toe with that camera. And with a price point na 45,000 pesos, it's cheaper than the S24 Ultra, cheaper than the iPhone, cheaper than the Huawei P60 Pro, and even cheaper than the Xiaomi 13 and 14 Ultra na lalabas this coming end of February. So if you're looking for a phone na below 50,000 pesos that can perform like a flagship phone, well, flagship naman siya, you can consider the Vivo X100 Pro, and installing Google Play Store dito is just very easy. Punta lang kayo sa Vivo Store dito and type in mo Google Play Store, update, tapos. So all of the banking apps na na-try ko dito, BDO, GCash, Metrobank, are all working here. So, ikaw nga ba yung target market? So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.